You want that one?
Yeah. Take off the cap. Take off the cap, Bella. And then she fetches the newspaper and gives it back to us. Wow. Have you seen it in action? Is there a newspaper every day? Maybe. Maybe there will be one tomorrow morning. Oh, you got the cap off. She's like, the cap taker offer is a business.
Maybe you could use your bottle opener.
For wine bottles.
Yeah, you can stick your long tooth in there.
Oh, she opened that one. Hello.
She likes the cap now.
She won't eat the cap. She just likes the bottle. She likes the puzzle.
Oh.
She practically caught that one.
You caught that one, Bella. Oh. Hold on. She knows how to open it. She knows that you gotta twist it. Big thinking bone. You see it? You see your thinking bone?
Yeah.
Oh, there it is. There's
It's got a
thinking
giant tongue.
bone. And a big thinking bone.
You getting tired, Bells?
How long is this video?
Thinking bone. The bigger it is, the smarter they are.
Ooh, this is something different.
What is that? Is that like a Chipotle cup?
No.
She likes that one. She's gonna take the cap off.
There is no cap, is there?
Mm-hmm.
There's a cap on it?
Mm-hmm.
Is that like a frozen? Oh, that's a Haagen-Dazs, isn't it?
It's just a container.
Is there a cap on it?
Yeah.
Lid.
Let's see if she can figure this one out. Oh, she's gonna get it. Are you gonna get the cap, Bella? Yep, she got the cap off.
Good job.
What if like dogs chewing on things a lot?
Makes their teeth feel better for some reason.
That tastes like lemons.
She likes the flavored one.
Okay, we can take that one away.
You want me to take this one off?
I don't want to get in between your stuff, but
Hey, tell her to leave it. Give her a bottle.
Bella, Bella,
Drop it.
drop it, Bella, drop it.
Good girl.
She kind of ripped it. Okay. Same idea, right?